Hi, my name is Chris. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing Leetcode problem number 169, majority element in JavaScript. Let's consider an easy problem. It says given array nums of size n, return the majority element. The majority element is the element that appears more than n divided by 2 times. You may assume that the majority element always exists in the array. Right? So this array here is got a length of 3. If we divide that by 2, right, and divided by 2, you got 1.5. So 3 occurs 2 times, which is more than 1.5, so we return 3. This is an array of length 7, so divide that by 2, you get 3.5. 2 occurs 4 times, it's greater than 3.5. Our result is 2. All right, so I'm going to grab this example here. We're going to move over to CodePen. I'm going to solve it here. Let's create a function. We're just going to call it func. For now, let's return nums. Log it to the console. So, not nums. Log func to the console. Now we should see nums. Beautiful. Okay. So, first thing we want to do is we're going to create an object, an empty object. And now we're just going to loop through nums. And if the number appears as a key, we're going to increment the value by 1. If it doesn't exist, we're going to add num as a key, and we're going to give it a value of 1. And so when we're done with the loop, the object is going to contain a key value pair for each num and how many times it occurs. And then we just need to loop through the object, and see which value is greater than nums.length divided by 2, and we return that value. All right. So I'm going to use the math method for looping. I like to use methods as opposed to for loops whenever possible. And we're just going to say I'm going to say num in object. We're going to use a ternary operator here. Then we say object at num plus equals 1. So if num exists as a key in object, we're going to increment its value by 1. If it doesn't, we're simply going to add a key value pair, num being the key and 1 being the value. Okay. So now if we return object, we should see our objects, and we do. Right, so 1 occurs 3 times, 2, 4 times. All right, so now all we need to do is we need to loop through the object, and we're going to say what? Key. So if object key is greater than, we're going to need to put this in an if statement. What am I doing? Object at key is greater than nums.length divided by 2. We're going to return key. Right? Great, and we get 2. Now there's one more thing we need to do, because obviously, well, not obviously, but here in the example, it's not a string, it's a number. So we can simply just wrap this in parentheses and put the number keyword in front. And there you go. All right, let's go ahead and copy this We're going to bring it over to Leetcode, paste it in. Let's go ahead and format it, run it, submit it. And there you go. Fantastic. All right, hopefully you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did and you want to see more like this, please like and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy your day.